Actually, all of those gable ends are board and batten, so we'll just hit those. Oh, that's a group. That's a good warning right there. See how everything's soaked up that material? Well, if you paint the outside of a group with a material, any surface on the inside that has the default material will soak up the material you applied to the outside. This is why sometimes you might find like you paint something and then you navigate around to some other side of your model and it's like, why is everything red? Well, it's because you painted a group and the surfaces inside of the group or component, the surfaces inside have the default material. The default material will soak up the material assigned to the outside of that container, that group or component. So what I need to do is make sure that I double click in and we only assign materials to surfaces. That's kind of the rule of thumb there, is the best practices, only assign materials to surfaces. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you're going to love our tutorials.